Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today, if you don't already know by looking at my ingredients, we are going to be making some Rice Krispie treats. But I'm also going to be showing you how easy it is to flavor this treat with our Artisan Natural Flavors. Our Artisans come in over 50 flavors. We have things from strawberry to cotton candy, birthday cake, and what I'll be using today, because it is our flavor of the month, our toasted marshmallow artisan. So these are a really great way to just seamlessly infuse bold flavor into your Rice Krispie treats, and also, depending on the flavor, add a really bright, vibrant color. So for instance, like our wild strawberry here, it has a beautiful light pinkish red color. And this is totally gonna come through in your Rice Krispie treats. So really fun to play with, and you can interchange it with whatever flavor that you are using. So easy to use and fun to eat. So let's get started. Our first step here is we are going to just put our butter into our pot, let that melt. Once it's melted, we're going to add in our marshmallows, combine those until they are also melted, and then remove this from the heat. So in with my butter, I'm gonna melt this, and next, add in my marshmallows. Our butter is done melting, and I'm going to just add in our marshmallows now. We are going to continue heating this up until the marshmallows have completely broken down, and this is a gooey liquid. After that, we are gonna do the best step yet. We're gonna add in our artisan flavor. All right, so it looks like here our marshmallow and butter mixture is all done. Everything melted together and it's nice and smooth. So our next step is adding our flavoring. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of our toasted marshmallow artisan natural flavor. And this, if you've ever seen my videos before, it is my absolute favorite flavor. Any of our toasted marshmallow products I love so much. So it makes sense that it is our flavor of the month. And if you were to use a fruit flavor in this recipe, such as strawberry, raspberry, passion fruit, you'll want to use maybe just 1 tablespoon because those are a tad bit more concentrated. Our non-fruit flavors tend to have a 8 to 10% use level, whereas our fruit flavors have a 3 to 5%. So you just want to scale back a little bit on your flavoring. All right, so I'm just gonna mix this in. And if you're wondering, why are you putting marshmallow flavoring into marshmallow? I'm not crazy, I promise. I thought this would kind of give these a nice little like fire roasted s'moresy flavor, because how else are you going to incorporate that into a Rice Krispie treat? It could be nearly impossible. So this will give it that nice fire roasted flavor without actually having to roast any marshmallows. So lastly here, I'm going to pour our rice cereal into this, and we're gonna mix it up. Gotta use your muscles for this part, but you got muscles, right? You can really see everything starting to come together here. If need be, don't be afraid. Put some gloves on, get in there, get messy. Use your hands if that makes it easier for you. Because this is the hardest part of this whole recipe, is really getting things mixed. Looking pretty good here. Everything seems pretty well and mixed up. So I'm going to transfer this into my prepared baking pan. I greased this pan, and then I also lined it with parchment paper. So I'm gonna put this in here, and then we are going to just spread it out evenly. And I'm just gonna press this out by hand, because you know what? It makes life a little bit easier. So I have some gloves on. I oiled these a little bit with some vegetable oil just to make this not as sticky. And I'm just gonna press it out. Just press it into your pan. All right. Looks perfect to me. We're gonna let this set for a little while, and we'll come back, slice them up, give them a try. All right, our Rice Krispie treats are done. They have set. They are ready to be removed from our pan here and cut into delicious pieces. Now I'm just going to flip this over and take off the parchment paper. No more need for that. And if you're trying to make these look absolutely pristine, say you're selling them at the farmer's market or you're providing them for a party, I recommend cutting off the edges here, just a very thin slice to make it nice and straight and squared. But I'm just making these for everybody here at Amoretti, so I'm just going to slice in as is. And cut these however you desire. You don't have to do them like this. You can make them into even smaller slices, bigger slices. And let me tell you, I've said this a few times in this video, but oh my gosh, the aroma of this it's out of this world. Even now, even after they set, they've been refrigerated, it is incredible. And there you have it, some toasted marshmallow Rice Krispie treats. If you wanted, you could get even fancier and drizzle these with some melted chocolate, maybe a little graham cracker, give them a little s'mores vibes. But I'm just here right now to really help boost your imagination and show you some fun things you can do with our Artisan Natural Flavors. So without further ado, let me give this a try because it is literally making my mouth water just looking at it. All right. So good. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. That toasted marshmallow flavor comes through so bold and so flavorful. It is absolutely delicious. I'm definitely going to take a bottle of this home and make them with my son. I think he would absolutely love this treat. So I hope that you enjoyed the recipe and you give this a try at home. If you do make some fun, flavorful Rice Krispie treats, let us know in the comments below what artisan you decided to use. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel. That way you never miss any new recipes, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our amazing customers. You can also find us on social media as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and Twitter. See you next time. Bye.